Welcome to Awosting Hall. This is the newest renovated residence hall in the Peregrine Quad complex, which is full of suite style buildings. And we're just going to go on a little adventure. This is what a typical wing looks like. This is my wing. I'm the RA of this wing. Hi, my name's Anne. And you can see here a duty board and a monthly board. This is standard for any residence hall that you live in, suite style or corridor style. Your RA is going to display this information for you, telling you who the RA on duty is at night and where to find them, and to have a little activity or some information that gets swapped out pretty regularly, just having to do with like campus, your well-being, etc. Now we're going to enter a suite on the 4th floor of the building. This is the only building on campus that has a 4th/5th floor, including the basement. So I hope you guys get a chance to see the view. It's super beautiful. This is what a traditional double is going to look like, where 2 residents are occupying the room. Traditionally, you would have 1 bed, 1 desk, and 1 dresser on one side of the room, the other bed, the other desk, and the other dresser on the other side of the room. These are our wardrobes. The dark wood is also an Awosting Hall exclusive. This is a common area that is a little bit more decorated than mine. You can see the microwave on the microwave stand here. Again, 2 couches and a table is the standard. And then we have these awesome cork boards at the fire line that you can decorate and hang things from. This is a huge bike community on campus. We are on our way to becoming a bike-friendly campus, so you'll see a lot of bikes around here. This is our brand new Awosting kitchen. This is pretty standard for a dorm kitchen in terms of like the sink, the oven, and the stovetop. Not all dorm kitchens have a microwave. Ours does, which is super cool. But otherwise, a little bit of seating, low table, high table. So adjacent to our kitchen is our basement lounge. This is a super like multi-purpose area for studying. RAs sometimes put on programs down here. Eventually, we're still a little bit early in the moving process. Eventually there's going to be a TV up against that wall, and that's awesome for residents to bring like their gaming stations down and game down here. It's just a good social space. Occasionally you'll see like Hall Gov and the RA staff having staff meetings down here just because it's so beautiful. So yeah, super what people make of it. This is a designated quiet area to study. You could study in any of the public places, the lounges, the computer lounge, anywhere you can find a seat in this building you can study, but this is for designated, quiet, peaceful, calm studying. It's located right across from our computer lounge, which is super convenient. We can take a peek inside. And then this is our laundry room, also in the basement. All of the buildings at SUNY New Paltz are equipped with a laundry room, so you do not have to leave campus to do your laundry. Thank you for coming with us on our adventure tour through Awosting Hall. I hope that you enjoyed it, so much so that you would be interested in being part of the Awosting family someday. We would love to have you here.